Okay, with respect to the clutch slave cylinder on my Daimler SP250, I posted a thread on the Owners Club forum and I've had a few replies about the difference between the 7/8 cylinders and the 1-inch ones. So I just thought it'd be easier to put up this video rather than try and explain it in text. Everything on the left here is originally as on my car, and the kit that I have had for some years and turns out to be the wrong one is on the right. So the original cylinder is definitely 1-inch, and it's got a number on it, it's got a Girling number. You can read that, it's 313440, which I assume is like a casting number or maybe a part number. Anyway, that's that. The actual piston is obviously 1-inch as well, and the seal is actually quite spongy now, quite soft. I guess it's just old, but I can't see any marks on it at all. It looks as if the marks are normally on this inner lip, in that sort of gap between the outside and the inside lip, but so I can't see any marks on this whatsoever. So I don't know what that means. Whether that means it's been in the car from new, it seems highly unlikely. But anyway, that's got no marks I can make out, and obviously the retaining circlip. On this side, the kit I had, so labelled Lucas or branded Lucas. It's got this XZB112 on the instruction sheet, so that seems to cover all sorts of different slave cylinders applications. The box does have the clutch slave cylinder kit dart written on it, and that number, which I guess you can make out if you want to. Someone's asked me to see whether there's a label underneath, and sure enough there is. It's really difficult to read. There's actually two labels, I think, on top of each other. I'm trying to peel off the top label, brings up the one underneath as well, and there's nothing underneath. But holding up to the light is easier to see, and it does actually say, if I can show you that, maybe not. It does say SP250. So the label underneath is showing SP250, whereas the one on top says 308049/02. So I don't know why that has changed. It doesn't actually match any of the numbers that the gentleman on the forum suggested. Anyway, the seal itself, this is the small 7/8 seal which came with the kit. That has got a number on it again, and that number is on the inside of the lip here. I don't suppose you can read it, but maybe you can see that there are numbers on there. And the main one is this 646-73407, which again doesn't match any of the numbers that I've seen so far. So curious and curiouser. But the other interesting point I thought was this is the new circlip that came with the kit, and it's identical, as far as I can tell, to the original, pretty much. So I'd have thought that the new one might be a different size, because presumably the cylinder it's intended for is 7/8 rather than 1-inch. So it fits into this recess here in the bore, and I would have thought that a 7/8 cylinder would have a smaller bore and therefore a smaller clip, but I guess there's enough flexibility in the clip for it to fit 7/8 or 1-inch. Anyway, those two clips are definitely the same size. So there you go. So the plot thickens, but meanwhile I've got a 1-inch kit in the post, so I can get this one working again. But it does seem odd. There seems to be a plethora of numbers and kits and all sorts for these cars, which I can't really understand, but still, maybe somebody else can. Okay, thanks for watching.